morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, meeting up with Jake. Yeah, Jake from State Farm. Not really from State Farm, but Jake. You remember the dude. We have a fun day planned. We're going to do a bunch of stuff. But right now, we are headed to the meetup spot. All right, let's see if Jake's here. He is. I see him. Hi, Jake. How's State Farm treating you? All right, Jake. You know what we're doing? We're going to do some fun things. How good are you at golf?
I haven't played golf in probably like 10 years.
Good. So you're not very good at it. How good are you at eating cheeseburgers?
Pretty good at that.
The last time we rode together, you took me to a glorious spot. A's Burger. I loved it. Z, not so much. I found another burger spot in the area that I think is going to meet your approval. Have you ever been to Hole in the Wall Burger?
Never have.
Have you heard of it?
I've heard of it though, yeah.
Okay, it's kind of new. It's only been around since July of last year, but currently on Yelp, it's one of the highest rated burger spots in all of Orange County.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Yeah. All right, Hole in the Wall Burger. I don't even know how this place came on my radar. I think I was just searching for burgers because I realized that we rarely get burgers on this channel. I think I was doing a search and I came across the place and I was super surprised to find such a well-reviewed burger spot so close to me. The place has only been around for about a year. I think it opened July 2019. I don't even think the place has been open for a year now that I think about it. And not only are people raving about their burgers, they got tacos and burritos, man. This could be a one-stop shop for all. We'll see. And the other awesome thing about this place, it's right next to a golf course. So of course, after we're done stuffing our pie holes, we gotta go hit golf balls. I wish I had shit to throw at Jake and just throw it at him. I forgot the poppers. I really wanted to bring the poppers, but I totally forgot about it. Let's just pretend I'm throwing shit at him. Normally they'd be taped right here, and they go pow! Let's give the camera to Jake and see what he gets. Hopefully he didn't drop yet. I don't think he's done this before. Hey, sir. How you doing? Jake from State Farm. Let's go see Bob. Oh, Bartlett. What are you doing? How come you never act like you're excited to see me? I'm always excited to see you, but you don't ever really give a shit, do you? Look at this self-promotion. Tag me. Follow me. Look at me when I talk to you, dude. Come on, man. Bob, what do you got for me today? Nothing there. Bob, what do we got? Under the cock? This is cool. These are good stickers, man. Batman? What? Oh, that's cool. And that one. The rest I'm going to leave with Bob, man. Also going to leave Bob with a key tag. Some stickers. We got some stuff behind the counter. Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Sub D. It's Justin, the fire truck guy. Figured since I'm here, buy you a drink. Love you, man. Ride safe. Justin, thank you so much. What do we got? Justin. Thanks, man. I'm thirsty, too. We're going to get a couple soda pops.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Jake. You hold that. Thanks, Justin. And one of these days, I promise you, we're going to get down there, dude. We're going to look at these fire trucks. Johnny's in. 2 Sub Delinquent. What?
Drop more money.
Where did this come from?
No.
So this one's from Orange Grove. Dude, I don't want to tear your sticker, man. I feel bad. But we got to open it. We got a note. We got a long note. Yeah. To Sub-Delinquent. Hello, sir. My name is John, aka Orange Grom. Wanted to treat you and one of your friends to a free El Torito meal. I like that place. I also gave you some snaps. I like when you mess with people with them. Hope you have fun with them. Also, check out my YouTube channel, Orange Grom. Also, here's a few bucks for a soda. Thanks so much. Complimentary meal. Yeah, we'll put one of these on the bike for sure. Thank you so much, man. It means a lot. And then this one, someone sent mail directly to Tropico General Store for me. That's pretty cool. Subdy, I know how much you love cheesesteaks with whiz, so I figured I'd send you something to accommodate that love. I don't know if it will make it onto the ship box, but I'm sure you'll love it. Just wanted to thank you and the club and BXD for getting me through hard times before and after my back surgery. You've inspired me to get back on a bike and start a channel very soon. Take care, buddy. Fanatic Moto. Fanatic Moto. Dude, alright. I hope that you are able to recover fully, man. That's a big deal. It's a cheesesteak sticker.
Yeah.
There's definitely room on the old Shipbox 750 for a cheesesteak sticker. Thank you so much for the cheesesteak sticker. That's cool. I appreciate that. And remember, man, you don't always have to leave stuff with Bob. You can put it in an envelope and leave it behind the counter. They'll give it to me directly. So if there's money or something special, definitely just give it to the people behind the counter. Let's get some sodas, Jake.
Oh, yeah? For
the Buckeyes. It's sad I'm not coming to AIM Expo this year, so I'll just drink your soda instead. What are these candles? Look at that. Black Star K. Let's smell one. Yeah, these smell good, man. What do you think of your Rhode Island root beer? It's made with root molasses.
First soda I've had in about 3 years, and nothing special about it. Just tastes like a normal, like.
Yeah, you didn't like it. All right, let's talk about this Buckeye soda I got. Dude, that was unique, man. If I see that here again, I'll get it.
Didn't it?
I really liked it. Only complaint, I wish it was a little fizzier, man. But it came all the way from Ohio. Can't have it all. All right, cheesesteaks going right here.
Came over R.S.M.
Sorry, Arson. Mr. Orange Grom. That's you right there. All right, we're going right there. We'll just go right there. And then we got this guy. It's a big old FU. I mean, this one's got to go front and center, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I gotta mention, while we were at Tropico General Store, a fan of the videos walked up to us and sat down. We had a conversation, man. The dude's pretty cool. He didn't want to be on camera, so I definitely respect that. He mentioned years ago he left a bunch of $2 bills with Bob, and I totally remembered that. Yeah, that was cool. I ended up giving one of those $2 bills to a little kid that was helping me read the mail. That was cool, man. Appreciate you, buddy. Hope you have a good rest of the day. Yeah, there it is. Hole in the wall burgers. Yeah. I want to eat inside. Hope we can do that. Let's do this. All right, Jake from State Farm. Let's eat. How many tacos come in the combo? 2? Can we do a hole in the wall burger? And then we'll do the, I don't know, what do you like better, the carne asada or the polo?
Chicken? Definitely the carne asada.
Yeah, let's do that. Are we allowed to eat in here?
Yeah, man. You guys can sit down.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, Jake from State Farm. Hole in the wall burger, man. We got carne asada tacos, we got crisp cut fries, we got cheeseburgers.
It was amazing. Every single thing that we had was just great. Out of all the cheeseburgers I've ever eaten, definitely top 3.
Top 3. Dude, you swore by this place, A's, that we went to a couple of weeks ago, and that was your #1 spot.
I gotta give it to this place. I think this place probably beat them out.
No way.
Burger.
So this is your spot, man.
You got you a new spot for sure.
We also got the carne asada tacos. How'd you feel about the tacos?
And no complaints about them either.
Out of all the tacos you had in your life, how does this place compare?
I say top 5.
Dude, this place is a home run for you.
It is. I loved everything about it.
I'm not a huge burger guy. It's very rare that I'll actually order a burger. Usually it's you or Z or whoever else. But if I come back, which I will, I'm going after carne asada tacos. I'm going to be thinking about these tacos for a long time. I liked them so much, I was asking Ricky about a Taco Tuesday, which they don't have yet. He said that maybe in the future. But I'd love to show up here and just get a big old plate of tacos on the cheap. Everything we got on the table today came out to about 21 bucks.
Definitely worth it.
Ricky, if you ever come across this video, dude, work on that California burrito, because I'll be back. Look at all the people on the driving range. This is scary?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna embarrass myself so much.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna hit golf balls wearing a helmet. And you're the one that's gonna be embarrassed?
That's a good point.
Can't golf without a beer. Bud Light for me. What's up, man? Can I get a beer? And then, do you have any clubs I could borrow for the driving range?
Do you club rentals right now still?
What's that?
Still not doing club rentals right now?
Oh. That's no good. Chick, I don't think we're going to be golfing today.
No?
At least we had a really good lunch. Jakey and I are swapping bikes. Bike's pretty quick. Sounds good too, man. Good job, Jake. Right on, man.
You one of those?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, bro. Dude, this is crazy. I know I recognize this bike anywhere. Just getting a haircut, and then I saw you guys.
What's up, man? How are
I
you?
was just giving you guys, you know, the cool, and then I saw the bike, and I was like, dude, this is Suburban Delinquent. I'm going. And I just looked at your videos, dude. I comment so many times.
What's your screen name?
I have like 2 different ones, but Lone Ranger. That's the
I
one.
remember Lone Ranger.
I always comment today, man. I live around here. I know where you are because you always go to the Lone Depot. Yesterday I was telling my girl, I was like, you know what? One of these days I'm gonna find Suburban Delinquent. We get a picture. I need a picture.
Yeah, man.
Later. This is super cool, bro. Thank you so much for looking.
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, man. It means a lot. Here, you want a key tag?
Absolutely. Seeing you, bro. Hopefully I'll see this video soon.
A couple weeks for sure. What was your name?
Lace.
Lace?
Lace. Like face, but with an L. Lace.
Nice meeting
I
you.
like that.
We'll catch you again, but next time on a bike.
Come on out, man. A lot of love to all those that stuck with me for the duration of this video. Means a lot. Also to the Patreons, dude. Thanks, guys. Super motivating. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Because if you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Lots of dysfunction. A lot of crashing and nonsense over there. It's fun. We have a good time. Please support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products and services, just consider them first. Give them a shot. That's it. Catch you guys next time. Later. All right, let's read some comments from the last video. She crashed his motorcycle. Top comment from Tony Solis. I died when he threw a rock at his little mirror. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. I feel a little bit bad about it. I'm surprised he didn't retaliate and smash my mirror. I'm sure he will though, eventually. We'll see. All right, let's read this one from the Bohemian. Almost taken out by a Prius. How befitting. Wouldn't it be ironic if I got taken out by a Prius? Just seems like it's always a Prius, always pulling out in front of me. I don't know. The irony, huh? All right, Texas Ranger. Been watching you since 17. Best moto vlogger. Man, I really appreciate it. Been some time, Texas. We'll keep it going, don't worry. This one's from Little Dead Shroom. Damn, that food was amazing. And the club did the King Kong move at 5:30. And come on, D. Put my lovely sticker on that shitbox, please. Look, I don't always release these videos in order, but if you look really carefully in this video, as I'm applying stickers to the windshield, you'll see that yours is on there. I'll get to that video eventually. I have no idea when, though. Hang tight, my friend. Hang tight. Let's read this one from Plutani Moto. Oh my God, you're wearing a different jacket. I've never seen you wear a different jacket in the few years I've been watching you. That's awesome.
Love the video. A lot of you guys commented about this jacket. I got 2 jackets that I wear. The leather jacket that says Icon Moto on it. I wear that when it's hot. And the black jacket that I'm wearing in this video is another Icon jacket, and I wear that when it's cold. I've been doing that for years. I've had both these jackets for a long time. So yeah, it's not new. It's just cold out. All right, let's read this one from J.R. Bumel. Sorry if I butchered your last name, buddy. Really enjoyed the videos. I'm on dialysis and spend about 4 hours in a clinic 3 times a week with 2 needles in my arm filtering my blood because my kidneys don't. These videos make the time at the clinic bearable. Man, I'm so sorry you're going through that. I'm glad my videos help you get through that. And I wish you all the best, man. Get healthy, get out of there, and recover from whatever your ailments are. I'll be thinking about you. And that's the last comment I'm gonna read for this video. Remember, comment in this video, I might read your comment in the next video. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.